This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sue D. Valdez. This fantastic condo is situated in a quiet, well-maintained complex and boasts an open floor plan, great for entertaining or relaxing. The interior has neutral colors and the large living room is filled with natural light from the oversized windows. The kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and ample cabinet space for storage, along with a breakfast bar and a separate dining area for more formal occasions. The two bedrooms are spacious and bright with large closets. The primary bedroom features an ensuite bathroom with modern vanity and walk-in shower. Other notable features include two private balconies with views of the surrounding neighborhood, as well as in-unit laundry for added convenience. This unit is conveniently located just minutes from downtown Norfolk, with easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment. Call today for an appointment. For more information, review the details below.